All right, folks, thanks for tuning in. So this is the project of my garage that came along with the house that we bought in the countryside, which used to be in Akiya, a vacant house. Really nice garage, in my opinion, very well built. I have talked about it before, but now I'm getting serious about working on it since it's more of an evening project. And since it's not that cold, I can go ahead and spend a couple hours working outside here. So let me go ahead and give you a rundown of what I have in mind. And if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. As you can see right here, we don't have any doors yet. When we purchased this place, it did not have any power in it, nor doors. The doors, I will be doing that here in the next couple months. Originally, I was thinking about putting the typical electric garage doors, but what I have been thinking lately is on this side here, I'm just going to put one electric garage door for my wife so that she can bring her car in, and the other side is going to be kind of like my little workshop area, and I don't want to feel like I'm claustrophobic in here, so here I'm thinking of just a glass sliding door, because quite frankly I'll probably never be able to fit another vehicle in there because of all the stuff I'm gonna have in there. And then years down the road, we're not sure, my wife and I have been talking about behind the house over there where the sandy backyard is at. If you have watched the videos, is we're kind of thinking about possibly later on putting in a single car garage over there, so it's quicker and easier access to the house. So that's the reason why this eventually is going to become my workshop just for myself, my man cave. So what I'm doing right now is, in order for me to get rid of all this stuff that's all the way around here, oh god, look at all this stuff, is I am working on a shelving system that's going to go all along on the upper side right here. This is what all those pieces of wood are that I started to cut. I am going to start from around here and this all the way around, wrap my way all the way around, and then later get these kind of Tupperware, whatever you call these containers with a lid, and then be able to just label what's in there, and because most of the stuff that's in there is we don't use every single day. And then of course hanging system for my tools and so on. Wrap around over here is where the workbench, this is the original workbench that came with the house, sturdy but not finished, you know, like this right here. It's just, anyway, so I just need to finish, level the top and everything, but it's still in good shape, so I'll be able to reuse that. Here, a pegboard system, shelving system, and then like, so I can put, you know, where you screw this on top onto a board so I can see what's in there. So I've been kind of keeping these for like the bigger stuff, and then of course the little smaller containers and that type of stuff. I like shelves. I like having everything open and neat and exposed. Oh, look at this mess. But yeah, and then also I'm going the the little extra mile, I guess, is I'm going to go ahead and insulate it while I'm at it. So the previous owner started to cover the sides. This particular plywood is readily available at the DIY store here in Japan, and it wraps around all the way to the corner. Each of these are about $15 a piece, quite more expensive than sheetrock. Since it's already halfway done, might as well continue using those. I'm going to go ahead and just tuck insulation down here, because like I said, eventually I probably like to have this as a workshop, and then, you know, be able to just enjoy even in the winter. And here I think a one little kerosene heater should be sufficient once this door is closed here. And then, as I said, the glass sliding door, that's what I kind of have in mind. So, you know, like right now it's almost 7 p.m. or so, and you know, I can, you know, work out here and look out. That's kind of what I want to do. And again, I don't want to feel claustrophobic. But so yeah, let me go ahead and keep on working, folks. Again, if you like what you see, please hit subscribe, like, and share. Those are some of the basic plans that I have here for my garage / workshop. If you have any ideas, recommendations, please comment below. I definitely would love to hear them. So a lot of this wood right here is stuff that came from the house. Not this is stuff I kind of scrounged up from somewhere else, but this is stuff that came from the house. You check out this You know, the old Japanese joinery. When they tore down walls and whatnot in the house, I asked them to keep them, so that's from the old shoji doors. So I'm going to try to repurpose some of this wood as much as possible, you know, kind of give it a second chance in life and just kind of honor the old house as well. So that's kind of the whole point. I'm not quite sure. If you have any ideas here, let me go ahead and show you. Like these really thick. Hopefully I don't kill myself getting to it or stab myself. And look at this. These are really thick pieces here. It's about this thick, solid. Definitely I need to do something with those. Maybe a real nice sturdy workbench or something. Again, if you have any recommendations, please let me know. Let's see what else we have back here. This is like the old flooring that used to be under the tatami. Kept some of those, you know, 50-year-old boards. Some more from inside the house. The joinery, the writing. This is where the sliding doors were at as well. A couple more things. I got some bamboo here that I collected. They're nice and dry. All right, folks, sorry about the rambling. Give me your ideas, your thoughts, and hopefully you enjoy as we keep on working here in the garage in the countryside of Japan. And if you enjoy this sort of content, please subscribe, and also making room for my camper van so that we can do a little bit of DIY stuff in it too, and hopefully enjoy some of our road trips. All right, have a great day. Bye. I got a little boo-boo, so I gotta take care of this real quick. I punched myself with the drill.